beautiful souls, Angel Power back again here with the angel guidance of the day. So if you can see here, the guidance is 9 of winter. In this card, the most beautiful part is that the cards here basically is telling you that whatever you're worrying about right now at this moment, if you look at this card very closely here, 9 of winter, you can see there is a fairy who is sitting and worried. She is very worried about what is in stored and what is there in the future, and that is why she's just looking out of the window. So here the angels and Master Merlin are telling you that there is no need to worry, because you are only focusing on the worst case scenarios. See, here the law of attraction works a lot, which says that allowing worry only, basically it is not going to provide you any solution, and it is just going to increase your problems in life. Because as the law of attraction says, that whatever the things on which we bring our focus to will manifest in our life. So angels are telling you that stop being so worried. Stop only looking at the negative things in your life. Don't look only at the criticism. Take it on your positive side. And basically, you are, just because you're focusing too much on the negative scenario, you are ignoring the positive things in your life. So again, the message is the same, that you need to focus on the blessings rather than focusing on the what worst could happen. Rather focus what the best could happen or could come out of the situation. So I hope that you are satisfied with the reading of the general card today. In case you have any queries, our WhatsApp number are given in the link of the description of this video. You can contact our WhatsApp team for booking your personalized reading. In case you wanted to be your own GPS and you wanted to learn this art of reading the angel cards, we are starting with our batch tomorrow, and we are super excited to join you. So in case of any queries, please do join us, do contact our WhatsApp team. Have a nice day. Angels blessings to all. Merlin magic begins now.